We are excited to introduce our science-based interventions aimed at restoring intestinal function and improving gut health. If you suffer from gut-related issues such as bloating, constipation, or diarrhea, get in touch. Our program includes a range of interventions such as dietary changes, supplements, and lifestyle modifications targeting chronic inflammation. Inflammation is clinically silent and your symptoms will be classified under a broad-spectrum condition, called irritable bowel syndrome. Our microbiota and lipid profile test will find the cause, and a personalized intervention will be designed for you. We also offer free online health talks.